In this video, we explore the Supreme Court's landmark judgment in the case of Union of India and ORS versus Cosmo Films Limited, Civil Appeal Number 290 of 2023. The case revolves around the controversial pre-import condition introduced in the Foreign Trade Policy, FTP, 2015 to 2020 and its impact on the Advance Authorization scheme for exporters. The pre-import condition, introduced via Notification No. 33/2015-2020 and Notification No. 79/2017 Customs, required exporters to import raw materials before manufacturing goods for export to avail exemptions on Integrated Goods and Services Tax, IGST, and GST compensation cess. This condition created significant challenges for exporters, as it disrupted their business cycles and made compliance nearly impossible for many. The Gujarat High Court had earlier struck down the pre-import condition, calling it arbitrary and unreasonable. However, the Supreme Court overturned this decision, upholding the validity of the pre-import condition, stating that legislative changes in fiscal policies often involve disruptions and experimentation. The court emphasized that such conditions are not arbitrary but are part of the government's broader economic and fiscal strategy, especially in the context of the GST regime. The judgment also clarified that while the pre-import condition was valid during its existence, from 13th October 2017 to 9th January 2019, exporters who faced difficulties due to this condition could claim refunds or input tax credits for IGST and compensation cess paid during this period. The court directed the revenue to facilitate this process through a clear procedure. The video also highlights subsequent policy clarifications and trade notices issued by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade, DGFT, and customs authorities to address the concerns of exporters and ensure smooth implementation of the Supreme Court's directions. This case underscores the balance between government policy changes and the challenges faced by businesses during major economic reforms like GST. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.